Hello guys, our today's lecture is related to sarcastic analysis using tweets data. So I have imported the training set. Let's run with it. Let's install the required dependencies. So I would recommend you guys to install the same version because it's the latest version and it is useful for translating English to any language. So our major task is to translate the English into Urdu and then apply uh, sarcastic analysis on it. So I have installed both the dependencies. After installing, let's import some libraries. After importing that libraries, let's read the CSV file, the training file. After that, let's apply this Google Transform import this. After that, let's run this transport. This transcode will take some time. Let's wait for it to complete. Okay, so now you can see our data is being translated into Urdu. So let's transfer this file list into data frame using pd pandas, and now we will call this data frame. Now this is you can see our data is being translated, and let's move down. This part is up to you if you wanted to save it into a new CSV file and then import it afterward, because the translation process takes some time, around 7 to 8 minutes, so that would be somewhat hectic. So I already transferred that, saved that file. Here you can see our translate file is being saved, and now I'll call it. Now our file is being called, and let's remove the this is the pre-processing part. Now we are removing some unrequired fields, unrequired columns from our data set. For example, our data set has unnamed, etc. These type of, we are removing it. We have removed it. Now we have changed the labels for our data. Here you go. This is our labels, that is called sarcastic or not sarcastic, and this is our feature. You can say it's a sentence, feature, etc. Now we import that dependency which we have installed. Now here we are removing some unwanted you can say special characters from our dataset, so that our dataset would be clean. So we are removing unwanted data from our dataset. This is a stop words part. It is up to you. If you wanted to use it, you can use it, but it is related to the English word, so I just remove it for now because we are working on Urdu dataset. This is unwanting things, or you can say special characters in our data, and we are removing it. Okay, so here we are saving that, creating a new column and transforming our data on the basis of that function which we have used here for removing an unwanted or special characters from our tweets data. So here we have done it. Now run it. Here you can see we have removed the unwanted data set. For example, here is an at the rate is removed, or at the rate, and these type of characters are removed from our data set, unwanted, or you can say special characters. Now we come to the feature engineering. So our model, or any model, which is written in some language, that would be English, Spanish, French, Urdu. So our machine couldn't understand it properly, so we need to convert that into numbers. So for that you can use bag of words as well as TF-IDF. I have used both. You can it's up to you which one you wanted to use. This is an extra code. It's up to you wanted to use it or not. This code show how the bag of word works. So here the bag of word is working like 3 4 6 8 we have data, so it multiply by 3 columns, so the total data length of the data it is showing here. So now we are splitting our data using scikit-learn model, and we are importing some more libraries like logistic regression because we are in the modeling part we are applying logistic regression as well as SVM. It's up to you which algorithm you wanted to apply. So we imported that, and we split our data into you can say 82 by 20%, and this random state should be 0 or 1, or it could be 42. It's up to you. So I'll use 0. 0 means there will be no randomness. So now apply the bag of words on the training and testing data. Here our bag of words is applied. Now you can apply the TF-IDF on it. So now our data is being transformed into number on the basis of bag of words as well as on the TF-IDF. So here I have created a function for logistic regression. You can do it without creating a function as well. I have created a function just to call it, make it easier to understand. So here I have run the. So now our data is showing that 0.71 we got from bag of words and 0.68 from TF-IDF. You are thinking that why it is showing twice, because we are creating a list. So the lists are being iterated. For example, when we call this, the first one it shows only the LR BOW bag of words one, and then the TF-IDF it shows both, the first one as the and the second one. In the here we are applying the support vector machine. You can apply another algorithm as well, and we are concatenating or you can say appending the scores for both. This one is for bag of words, this one is for TF-IDF logistic, both logistic, and this is the SVM. SVM we are getting better results, 0.74%, and here is the total results which we are getting. LR we are getting this, LR TF-IDF we are getting this, and SVM we are getting this. That's it for now. If you have any question you can drop it into the comments. I will try to answer your questions, and please like and share my video, and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.